Nice, nice. Okay, now
welcome to my crib. Alright guys, we are in City Walk right now, which is, if you don't know, the kind of shopping center that passes through security to go into Universal Studios Orlando. We are almost there. It's also 39 degrees, which for Florida is extremely cold. So it's gonna be an interesting day, but we're hoping that the crowds will not be super crazy.
Yeah, and she told me to not wear a jacket.
I thought it was gonna be a lot warmer, but I honestly cannot feel my hands, so sorry about the lighting. Let's do it. Let's go to Universal! We just got our Universal tickets. Let's go inside. Okay guys, we are in line now. This is my brother. If you don't know who he is, I'll put a card up here. Watch the video, we did a really funny vlog together. But we are so excited because we haven't been to Universal or Islands of Adventure in a long time, especially Islands of Adventure. I used to be a pass holder, I'm not any longer, but I know kind of some hacks. Maybe I'll share them with you guys. And I know
maybe she won't.
Maybe I won't. Maybe you should subscribe to find out. But I definitely know the best rides that are out there, and I'm bringing my brother. We're running through the park, so it's gonna be a whirlwind.
You were saying your favorite ride is the snack bar?
I love the churros. That's what I come here for. Anyway, we are in Universal Studios. I love you, Shrek.
Yeah.
Okay, Minions somehow is already a 35-minute wait.
Yikes.
We are not doing that.
No way.
First ride of the day, Transformers. Shia LaBeouf, if you see this, I love you.
Don't give me any lip, and we just might get along. Our objective today is combatants.
Attention all Nest personnel, this is General Marshall, Nest HQ. I'll cut you.
We can all spark away from them. So think it over while I finish prep.
Okay. Oh, can you get me dancing this music?
Absolutely.
Okay, come on, let's go ahead. Come on. We just went to Transformers and we went on the Mummy. Best ride, can't tell me otherwise, best ride here. And now we're gonna go to Harry Potter World before the crowds really get here. Oh, the Fast and Furious is open now. Oh, but really quickly, I wanted to let you know, if you haven't been to Universal in a while, they got rid of the whole thumbprint locker thing. So now you use your tickets. This is gonna get me copyrighted.
No, no.
So now you use your day ticket to get in and out of the lockers at the rides. They are free for the length that you're waiting in the line, but if you want to get a bigger one, it's $3 or it's an additional $2 for every 30 minutes after that. So I guess you could keep your stuff there all day, but I do want to let you know, keep a ticket ready and accessible so that you can get in and out of your locker quickly. Okay guys, we're here with Snow. She works at Universal Studios Orlando. We're gonna fill out a survey. She said she's gonna check out our YouTube channel.
Yeah,
so
sure will.
comment down below on our Universal vlog, okay?
I sure will.
She was so cool. Also, she was a US veteran. So Snow, if you're seeing this, thank you for your service. You're
Thanks, Snow.
awesome. Thank you, Snow. All of you like Harry Potter fans, this one's for you. Here's the night bus, and then here is, oh my gosh, that's giving me London flashbacks. We are going in Harry Potter World. So check that out, guys. I'll try and zoom in some. Look at that detail on that dragon. So cool. Right now we are in line to go from Universal Studios to Islands of Adventure. So, take a look over here. I'm going to show you. This is an actual train that comes in to take you from park to park if you have the right pass. My brother has never been to Islands of Adventure, so I'm gonna get his reaction on camera because I think he's gonna be amazed at Hogwarts and the Kong thing and Seuss Land even. So let's see what he thinks.
Oh wow, if there's snow on the rooftops.
Yeah, I told you it's 39 this morning. You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's sick.
We're literally in London, eh?
We're literally standing in London right now.
Oi!
Alright guys, we were just informed that all of the coasters are closed today. Like Rip Ride Rocket, the Hulk, the new Hagrid Magical Creatures ride, all of the coasters are closed because of the cold.
Because of the snow!
Cold. It's snowing! That sucks. But we're gonna hit the indoor rides. Hopefully they're not too bad and we can explore Hogsmeade a little bit more. Let's go! While we're walking around Islands of Adventure, I want to show you some of the highlights that you have to hit if you come to Universal Studios Orlando. Marvel Universe, Seuss Landing, The Lost Continent, Hogsmeade, Jurassic Park, and Starbucks, only to enjoy a hot cocoa on a cold Florida day. We're in line for Skull Island Kong, something like that, and it's terrifying.
It's actually scary.
It's actually scary. Look at some of this crap. Look at that barrel. Look at that barrel. That's a scary barrel. Okay, so I did have a Universal and Islands of Adventure pass. So I've been on this ride before when it first came out, but there were some technical difficulties, so I'm really hoping that we can get a good ride. Oh my god, look at this.
Is that supposed to be there?
Are we on Men in Black?
Safety advisory for all departing expedition riders due to difficult driving conditions on the island.
Universal, you are
Silly
pushing me
gooses.
to the limits. Tell me how a water ride is open, but a GD Hulk roller coaster is not open. Doesn't make any sense. So we just went on Kong. I'm gonna call it Kong because the real name's really long.
Spooky.
It was spooky. It was crazy. But honestly, it just kind of hurts my neck looking side to side because you're in like a bus. Anyway, we are about to go to the Marvel Universe, I think. Palmer hasn't been on The Amazing Spider-Man. That's also one of my favorite rides. So we're gonna check it out. Hopefully the wait's not too long since all the outdoor things are closed, except for that water ride. Anyway, yeah, let's go to the Marvel Universe. We just entered the Marvel Universe. Please excuse this jam session. It felt appropriate. Okay, so we were filming some B-roll footage. You know, we grabbed some Starbucks, and Hulk has opened. The temperature has actually dropped and the wind's gotten stronger, but now Hulk is open. So we're walking very fast. I started running, but we are going on the Hulk now. I'm so excited.
I'll probably watch the bag so no one takes it.
He's scared. We just went on that.
Yeah, peek in the loops.
This tube right here shoots you out at 60.
They let people on that.
They let people on that willy-nilly, okay? We shot out at 67 miles per hour on the Incredible Hulk roller coaster. Amazing ride, get your adrenaline pumping, so much fun. We're gonna head back, I think, to Universal and see what else we can do today.
She's scared.
I'm scared. I've never been on this ride. Okay, that was crazy. I'm like low-key still shaking, but they just shoot you up. It's a lot more delicate than I thought it was gonna be, but then again, I go on the rides at the fair, so. All right, currently we're back in Hogsmeade. We're hanging out at Islands of Adventure, and Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey is only a 45-minute wait, so I think we're going to try that. I did talk to a cool girl named Monica who works at Islands of Adventure. She said that some of the rides are down because of the cold and the effect on the technology. Just a heads up, if it's really cold, some of the rides can't handle all of the technical glitches that come with being in the cold, I guess. I don't know. But that is why, unfortunately, some of them are down. We just went on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Really cool walking through, like you walk through the castle, walk through Hogwarts, but it made us sick to our stomach, like motion sickness and everything. So now we're going to grab a bite to eat outside of the park since inside is so busy. I'm running out of energy. We are out of the park now. We left and are about to grab some sushi. We're waiting for our orders and we need to refuel. I'm exhausted.
You're not wrong.
And the Harry Potter Forbidden Journey made me so sick to my stomach. I'm like,
Yeah, I know it's forbidden now.
it should be forbidden. Something. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I think we're gonna have a dance party over by Men in Black.
What happened?
Sorry guys. Come on!
Dance, dance! Guys, dance! 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 Come on, dance!
Alrighty guys, we just left Diagon Alley. We're gonna go hit up the Jimmy Fallon ride and the new Fast and the Furious ride, but I have a hack for you, okay? If you want a nice sparkling water, like think of like one of the bubbly waters or the LaCroix waters, there is actually a free soda water that you can get at the Leaky Cauldron in Diagon Alley, and it actually comes out of something that is flavored peach, and it has hints of peach in it, like low key. So
it's like accidental peach, but it's good.
It's accidental peach at the Leaky Cauldron. Go there, get a soda water. Super good, and it's free. What is happening?
We're doing this ride as long as it's one thing.
Dance.
Dance.
Our time at the park is coming to a close soon. We just did the new Fast and the Furious Supercharged ride. One, the entrance was weird. You have to go through this weird like talk with the, how do you call it? You get talked at, like it's all like actors or whatever, but it's really weird. And then the ride itself probably lasts like 5 minutes, but it's actually really cool.
It's sweet.
It's so cool. You're like in a bus.
Fast, furious. It's diesel fueled.
Vin Diesel fueled.
It's awesome.
Anyway, it's a really cool ride. If you haven't gone on it yet, I highly suggest you do. We are gonna go on Jimmy Fallon, try and hop back over to Islands of Adventure, maybe catch the Spider-Man, hopefully, and that long wait for the new Hagrid ride, which is currently at 210 minutes. Really hoping it dies down. So we're chilling where Jaws used to be in San Francisco at Universal Studios. Palmer went to go get some coffee before we try to hit the last couple of rides. Guys, that's all I have for you in today's vlog of Universal Studios Orlando. I hope I was able to share some tips, share some cool clips of the park. We are going to be going again next week, so if you want more in-depth clips, tips, you have any questions, I can definitely answer them in the next vlog, but you gotta comment those down below so I know that you guys need to hear things. There's a parade going on. You're gonna see it behind me any second now. So I'm calling it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and experiences right here on Jet Lag Live. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Remember that parade I was talking about? Yeah, Palmer was on the other side of the road. Now take it across. I got across, just barely. And look at these cool dancers. Cool. Okay, anyway, that's all. Bye, guys.